Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can install Google Play Store on your LG Smart TV or any TV actually, any smart TV. But for your LG Smart TV, this definitely works. So what you want to do guys, before you actually start this process, make sure that your TV, okay, is compatible with a Google Play Store, okay? Usually not every TV is compatible, so you need to check if your TV has an Android operating system. So if your TV, okay, your LG Smart TV has an Android operating system, then you can definitely get Google Play Store. If you're not sure, you can actually just check the TV's user manual. You can check that. You can just do a quick online search as well. You just get your TV's model number. Usually it's at the back of the TV or at the side. You will see there where near the area where you put in the USB drives and all those connections. Now, I'm going to show you now how to actually get this Google Play Store, okay? So, first things first, guys, you want to go to your TV's, okay, your smart TV's settings menu. Okay, when you're here, you want to go to enable unknown sources for app installation because we are installing it directly from an APK, which I'll explain in just a moment. Since we're installing it directly from an APK, we're not getting it from a Play Store or anything like that. That is why we need to enable unknown sources, okay? So this is usually, you can find this in the security and restriction section of your TV settings menu. Usually this is where it's found, but it may vary depending on your TV, but you can just search around and just find this and then look for unknown sources. Just enable this. And then guys, okay, you need to download the Google Play Store APK. Make sure it's a trusted source, a trusted website with good ratings, okay? You can easily get this. Like, just do a quick online search, Google Play Store for Smart TV APK. APK, okay? It's very important. APK is very important. It's a file type, okay? It's an Android packaging, okay? Software for software. Okay. Now, guys, once you've downloaded it, so since we need to transfer the APK file to our smart TV, we'll need a USB drive, okay? Or maybe another transfer method, but it's easy and best to just use a USB drive. So plug the USB drive onto your computer and move that APK file to a USB drive, and then just plug in the USB drive to your TV, okay? Just open the file on your TV, and then you can install the Google Play Store APK file, and just, by following the on-screen instruction, just click on install and it will basically do the rest. And then just sign into your Google account and you can normally set up your Play Store. Just follow the prompts. That is really a simple process. We've already done the hard part, guys. So the video is literally that easy and simple, guys. So if it really helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and of course, guys,